YouTubians. Guess what we got in today? Something I never had before. Chick-fil-A. Y'all, I ain't never had this before. This is my very first time. Here I have is my beautiful daughter. I love her so much. This is my baby, y'all, and I'm at her house, and we is doing some Chick-fil-A. She is introducing me today to Chick-fil-A, and we got a few items. We have some chicken nuggets. We got some chicken nuggets, y'all. We got some fries. We got a chicken sandwich. We got some of this mac and cheese I've been hearing everybody talk about. And we got the wrap. Oh. We got this wrap. Put it at the top. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, yeah. So I'm gonna see what this about.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna see what all this about. You know, because I've been hearing about Chick-fil-A, and Nick Cabo got me on them wrappers, and wrappers looking so good. They look way bigger when he on camera, but I look this is like this thing small.
Dip your fries in the sauce.
But it looks so good. Let me see, can you grab me sauce? These chicken nuggets look delish. I don't know how the chicken sandwich look yet.
It's good. Sauce is everything.
Chicken sandwich look delish. Oh.
Well seasoned.
Damn. Y'all, now that look delicious right there. Oh, y'all can't even see the nuggets. But,
They can't see it?
Oh, give me another, what's the name? Yeah. Now they can see it. Damn. Hey, now.
Them fries were saucy.
And I got some Chick-fil-A sauce. Can you give me another sauce too, Mrs. Please? Regular sauce. Give me another Chick-fil-A and another regular. I mean, yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, y'all. So, yeah, I had to relocate. Well, I ain't have to relocate, but I came out here to see my baby girl. I was missing her. And I needed some love. So I came out here where the love is at. And I've been feeling real good. You know, I've been feeling real good.
Dip this one first.
Despite of my crazy behind, my body. Huh?
Dip this one first.
Oh, with this? Okay, she telling me, y'all. Let me check y'all. Let me see. I done just dipped it in the special sauce.
These fries are real saucy. I'm tweaking.
No.
Is it good? The sauce. Not spectacular.
No, let me taste it with the chicken.
These fries too saucy. You like it?
I guess everybody pumped it up to be so much. I was expecting to be, you know,
like overhyped.
Yeah. Just them.
Regular sauce. I love it.
Okay, let me tell you what I want to do. Everybody talk about this too, y'all.
Macaroni tastes good. It tastes like baked macaroni.
It's hot.
It's good, ain't it?
Yeah. Okay. I could do this, y'all. I could do this macaroni. Ooh, let me try. Girl,
You chicken like this, man.
I do that macaroni, y'all.
Yeah, it's good, ain't it?
Yeah. So that's why those lambs always long. Cause I swear, I really like, damn it. You know, out there where I stay at, Chick-fil-A is like a good 45 minute ride from my house.
Yep.
So it'll take a while to visit Chick-fil-A. They don't got none out in my area. You gotta go way out to go to Chick-fil-A. So I never thought it was ever worth the hype. You know, I'm like it's another Wendy's. You know, it's another fast food joint.
Let's try the chicken sandwich. Let's try the chicken sandwich.
Oh yeah, y'all. We got a chicken bacon.
A bacon chicken sandwich.
Yeah, that too. We got that. I'm finna dip these fries in, y'all, but it tastes so good, but I'm not getting that crave like everybody.
I know. Y'all, I'm gonna make some crust pie. That's the best ice.
And I'm gonna act the food on this item. We should have got a bad ice with you. Let me buy y'all item. The macaroni and cheese was good too, y'all.
You gotta try your chicken wraps too.
Oh yeah. Come on, let me go on here and get it in. Let me go on here and try the chicken wrap.
Look on it.
Yeah, I got some of this, you know, I love lettuce, and chicken, and, what else? Cheese, is that bacon?
You like it's bacon wrapped up.
Yeah. Did I grab the smaller one? I'm hungry again. I want the bigger one. Yeah, I'm gonna get in this. I'm gonna try this, taste this out. Y'all, it's not bad. It's not bad.
It's not.
It's not what how the hype will be. I guess how people felt about how the chicken sandwiches was that. Yeah, how people like this is not the hype. This is not the hype with how they had hyped this up to be. No, it's just a regular, joint. They got, chicken, salads and wraps, like a Wendy's.
I'm looking for this to Wendy's.
I'm mad Wendy's stopped selling burgers overall. I love Wendy's burgers. And they don't sell burgers over there around in Chicago. They stopped that. They don't do it no more. Not in our area. All they sell is chicken and salads. And then I don't know, for some reason I thought this would be, well, I don't know why, because it is lettuce on it.
Is it good?
Yeah, I like stuff like this. This is good. You know I love my lettuce. You know what I'm saying?
That look like.
I love that lettuce, the chicken. The avocado lime, ranch, y'all. It's good.
You're making me sleepy.
I don't know why. You watching me eat? Because I'm sure enjoying it.
It's like, when you eat
this
too
is
much.
real good. I'm just enjoying it right here.
It's making me full.
But it is good. This is not bad though. It's not bad. No, I ain't had no Sonics, y'all. I ain't never had Sonics. What is another little something that's been out that I ain't never had?
I don't know.
What's that other one?
We ate Portillo's.
Yeah, I've been in Portillo.
Portillo's, Chick-fil-A.
That's another known one though. The one that's right down on Western.
Fries?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I knew you were talking about Cane's.
Cane. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I heard people talk about that, and I ain't never had that neither. Every time I eat that, I never had be so long. I was like,
It must be good. Cause they're like always.
But then I talked to my sister-in-law, and she said it ain't how the hype is. You know what I'm saying? So
it's like that probably with all the restaurants. Like
she was like, make sure you tell them you want your stuff fresh.
They like McDonald's.
Mm-hmm. So
Sorry,
I'm like,
McDonald's.
I don't got time to be trying to tell
Sorry,
them.
McDonald's.
Sometimes you'll forget to tell the person to have it fresh, but
you would think they're supposed to make it fresh anyway.
yeah. You know? Oh my God, I don't even want to put no nothing. I got this pot right here. I don't even want to put it on there though. I just want to eat
That's
it.
what I heard last night when I was asleep. Oh.
I'm trying to edit.
I kept looking up like, what? Let's split this chicken sandwich.
I don't know.
I gotta get a knife.
I done ate that. All of this is good. I love that.
Oh, I feel so fat. I just ate too much. I ate all the macaroni, all my fries.
You did?
Yeah. I'll say yeah. Pretty much.
So, Mrs. Tell my YouTubians about yourself for a little bit.
So, I'm 20 years old. I just turned 20. I'm in college. I'm in my third year. The degree is coming. I'm majoring in community and human service. So I want to work with, social work. Excuse me, guys. That food has to just go down.
It's okay.
And yeah, I'm in school and I work. That's pretty much it. A fun fact about myself is I like talking a lot and looking at myself and adoring myself.
I wonder who you get from.
Okay, let me get a knife first. I don't feel like getting up though. Chicken sandwich. I thought they had a knife, but I think it's just a fork for the macaroni. Because I don't think you're supposed to eat this as a whole. You're supposed to split. I'll be back.
Yeah, that's my baby girl.
Let's see if I got Taylor's.
I only want to put this pop on. I want to pop like this.
So we gonna split the chicken sandwich. You eat pickles, right? Because it's definitely pickles on here. That was
Take it down and do it.
Yeah. I'm sorry, that was stupid.
Yeah, but it was so good. This was good. Look, I didn't even want to put it back down. Once I picked it up, I kept it in my hand. That's exactly what I did. Kept it in my hand and ate it up. So, yeah, big ups to Nick, what's his name? Nick Avocado for this one. Nick Avocado. Something. But, he's funny. Hey now. I'm going to turn it this way so they can see the inside of it.
This is the chicken. This is better than Papa's.
Don't play with me. Don't say that. I ain't said it yet. Because I told me when we was out one time, Hey now. Okay, y'all. So we made it back. Video stopped on us now, but we back. And I came back with some steak. My daughter made me some delicious steak, y'all. And it's real tasty. We've been snacking on it already. That's how it go. But oh, that's the part of that battery. Oh no, that ain't been turning on. I don't think about it.
It's not recording.
No, is the red light on here?
No.
It's on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So start the video over.
No, don't start over. That's just the mic. It's still hearing. But now I'm just louder. We're just louder here. Oh, but that's what I was asking. What you think about the ASMR videos, my cornstarch, ASMR cornstarch videos?
That video was hilarious.
Mm?
Tickled me so hard I was on the floor laughing. It was a good one.
Well, the girl.
Was that your first one?
That's actually my second one. I bought 3 boxes. So I just got one more box to do.
So you gonna do another video with it?
I don't know, girl. I've been thinking about it. But I like the creativity of it.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I don't like the taste.
Might as well go with your last box and do it again.
Yeah, that taste is something else, though. Man, it's a powerful taste. But I love the bricks. I love the crunch. I love everything about it.
So,
Just not the taste.
everything but the taste.
But I said I wasn't gonna do it no more. But
What was the taste?
I'm like, I might as well go ahead and get rid of the last box. Might as well do it. And then my second video, my first video was horrible.
Mm-hmm.
Second video came out pretty good. I got my brick.
Mm-hmm.
But I want perfection.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for perfection, y'all. So I want to do it again with my last box. But this time I'm thinking about microwaving it, then putting it in the oven. And see how that works out.
Think that turn out better?
Yeah, I think it will. I want it to be straight solid. You know how I still have powder around my, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's what that is. But yeah, I'm just about done. I'm macaroni and cheese with fry.
Chicken nuggets with fries? Let me try this wrap.
Yeah, try that wrap out. That wrap is pretty good too. The steak fry.
Try to put in this salsa that's doing to it.
I'm enjoying y'all. It's pretty good. Y'all like that sauce. I mean, it's just regular sauce to me. I ain't too crazy about it. I guess because we put the such the hype on it, making it more to what it is in this.
There you go now, man. Guess what?
Yeah.
We didn't even pray.
We showed and we did not pray, y'all. Y'all see that? Lord Jesus, forgive us and please still heal and protect the food that has been processed into our bodies. And protect our bodies as well against all harm and danger.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. But my shepherd, I shall not want.
Good.
Mm-hmm. And macaroni and cheese is good too.
Mm-hmm.
Especially with this steak.
It was good, like to be a restaurant macaroni and cheese. 'Cause usually restaurant macaroni and cheese don't be that good. Like it's been made at home.
So I enjoyed it. It's good. First time y'all with chicken flip?
2 for 1.
Oh. Chick-fil-A. And it's yummy. A nice little meal when you don't feel like cooking. Yeah, y'all.
It's a lot of bread. That's what it is. Chick-fil-A, they put all this bread. There ain't no right here, this bread.
That's why I said it was small. When Nick Avocado be eating his look so big. It was so big that made me want one.
Who's Nick?
And Nick Avocado, he another YouTuber, Mukbanger that I watch. He always, whenever you go to Chick-fil-A, he always get that. And they just be looking so good on the camera. It looks so delicious. But he'll be so big, that always happens. But y'all, we finna close out. Cause I'm just about done here.
Huh?
I'm gonna come back again with another video. So until then, I want you to like, subscribe, comment, and share my video if you want to.
Yes, indeed.